Aloha folks, how are you guys doing? Hope all is well. Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike, and we're fortunate we've got a nice blue sky day. Winds are mild. I did not bring my drone because if you don't use the drone, the batteries wear out, and I didn't charge them. And plus, I'm really not supposed to be flying on Turtle Bay Resort. That's where we are again today. Yesterday I just came for a wandering ride, and just, you know, it's a favorite place to come out here, ride along these paths as best I can. But it was last week that I came out here and I got busted for riding on the golf course. And this is my third bust. So I have to look for different trails. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Yesterday I came out and I rode the old mountain biking path, and it, because of COVID, it had not been maintained and was in terrible condition. So I met a guy here who lives in one of the townhouses here, and he told me about this additional trail that I'm going to explore today. So we're in explore mode, and I like riding along here. A lot of people out. There's a little breeze, and there's a big cloud up there putting a giant shadow over the ocean. But this is one of my favorite rides along here because you can ride along the coast. So there's that golf course, and it's not these paths that I ride on, it's the ones that are further out. And I've filmed it several times and rid it many times, but the caretaker here, or the course marshal, if you will, caught me last time and told me I can't come on the path anymore. I can't ride the path. So we're going to go look for a new trail. So hang tight with me. So this path I can go on. This is just a regular path used to transport the quads back and forth, and it's not part of the golf course. So we're allowed to ride here, and there are a lot of great trails, but of course I want better trails, right? So we're going to take a little side route and go this way, and this is a way to avoid the golf course. If we follow this path, we can get to the ocean, and that's the goal, is to be able to get to as many ocean spots as possible. And the golf course really only has several oceanfront holes, and we're going to go to the choice one. This is that beautiful hole I was tell you about. I'm going to go up to the top here. And so this is a beautiful, look at that. And that is Kahuku Point. Let's go over here. There we go. All right, so this was one of my nice spots to come after riding the course. And we can see the hotel over there. So we're gonna go continue on and see if we can find another trail. I know it's not gonna be oceanside, but I just like a round trip. I don't wanna go out on one track and come back. So hang tight, we're going to head on over to the other side And there's some trails over there that we can go on. Here's another one of the trails that we can go on. It's not a golf course trail, but it's all surrounding the golf course, if you will. And this is one of my rides that I normally come on. It's very peaceful, very relaxing, not crowded at all. And when I got to the end of this, there was the golf course path. And I'd hop on that and come all the way around. So it was great. Today we're gonna explore a trail at the end of this, and we'll see what we come up with. To our left, there are 3 miles of mountain bike paths. And this is the one that I came on yesterday to explore whether it would be a good alternative route. And because of COVID and the hotel is probably at 50% occupancy on purpose, and they haven't taken care of that path. And it used to be fine for the trike. It was wide enough, but right now it's almost just mountain biking. Even mountain bike, you got all these branches that have fallen from storms that we've had during the winter, and not good. So I won't be riding on that path for a while till they come up with a better plan to pull maintenance on it. But this is a nice trail. Remember, anything that is not on the highway is a nice trail.
Hey, hey, where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I was so lonely? Where were you when I needed love? Where were you when I needed love?
So here's the end of the mountain biking trail to our left here. And then we're at the end of this trail, or not really to the end of it, but a junction. And as you can see, to our left on our right, we're in the midst of the golf course. This is the 14th hole back there, and that one takes us, go back that way, we go back towards the ocean. Well, now we're going in the opposite direction. We're going Mauka. Everybody remember that? Towards the mountain. I've been given instructions yesterday is how to circumvent the golf course without going on the golf course paths. This is a matter of going straight and making 2 rights. Maybe there's a left in there somewhere. Okay, we call it exploring. Yesterday when I was here, I did not have a full battery, so I didn't feel like exploring. I'm 9 miles away from where I started off this morning, and I have not gone beyond this little trail here. So let's see what we come up with. Oh gosh. It's a junction, folks. I'm gonna go this way, but we are exploring, so we'll see where this goes. No bears here, no snakes. We have mongoose, but they run away from us there. And no sharks, thank goodness, on this trail. That's about the only thing we have here that can end on the food chain of an animal. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, no, here's the... Well, this is not what I want. I think we were supposed to make a right back there. And the guy told me that, and I didn't listen to him. Let's go back and make a right. There's supposed to be a nature preserve marsh here. From what my friend told me is that it's all overgrown, especially on a trike, that we won't be able to see much. All right, let's reenact coming to this junction here. Over here. Turn around. All right, let's try this again. All right, it looks like we have a junction here. Which way should we go? Let's go to the right. I think that's what the guy told me to do. I think I know where it comes out, but we'll see. I'm on the right path, and that's great. A lot of this course, it's all Arnold Palmer and Jack Nicklaus course, I think they call it. And they're not by the ocean here. We're a good half-mile away. Now, where's my sign? Well, we're just gonna have to make a decision, huh? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's go with Mo. Well, I believe this is what they call the railway trail, because it looks like a railway trail. And the old sugar mill used to have a railway, I guess, along here. But I'm waiting for a sign that tells me that I'm here, and I don't have that sign. So I am just, it's another place to ride off-road. We've got some undulation. And now we are coming back to the golf course. And let's see where we come out. Warning, watch out for flying golf balls. Great. I see where we are now. We're by the driving range. Okay. Well, that's not a bad little ride. And that's like a nice loop trail. And I don't have to really go on the golf course. So if we continue down this path, now this is not considered a golf course path. This is the side of the golf course. So we're good doing this. Wow. Thank goodness for a gorgeous day. I think we have 2 more gorgeous days and then a week of wind and rain. So we're taking advantage of this best we can. Tomorrow's a surf day and the surf's coming up a little bit, so no triking tomorrow. And this is another one of the holes that ends up by the ocean. And you'll be familiar with this because we just came here when we started. There we go. We're on this ocean. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Well, that was our exploration today. While the trail might not be scenic that we were on, this area is scenic. So we always start and end here. So that's pretty nice. That's our trail riding today. I probably got an hour worth of video here and I have to cut it down to 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be sure to add a lot of the blue skies and everything. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour, our little exploration today. It wasn't the most scenic ride that we've ever had. It's scenic here when we get to the starting point and the end point. But we found a trail that I can get some exercise on, and who knows, we'll see how it goes after that. I'm going to explore later on and see if I can see a different trail that I'm looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed our ride, and I'll see you when I see you. Who knows? Be healthy, be safe, and of course be happy. You guys have a great week. Happy wandering. Aloha. Well, since the sun has come out, let's take a little ride along the coast before we head home.
So hey, I called you late last night just to break the ice. You were the only two people at home, and that was nice. You said, hi, it's me. I said, hey, it's so cool. You said, stop calling me